pray that every one of us here capture that elusive joy na hinahanap-hanap natin. You may be suffering right now. You may be anxious. Masyadong maraming iniisip. Masyadong worry. You worry about your work. You worry about your families in the Philippines. You worry about the people around you right now. Or in the office or in your homes. You worry about the people that's going to approach you when you step out of this house. You worry about what you're going to eat tomorrow, what your family is going to eat for tomorrow. But I say this to you, brothers and sisters. The time to be happy, the time to be present